What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to record screen using CapCut PC. First of all, open CapCut PC and then here you can see it's the home page. Now it's time to record the screen. Here you can see record option. Just click on this record screen option. After that you can see the screen position. Just click on this. You can increase the screen size like this, and then you can select your camera also from your desktop. If you have a webcam, then you can use this, and then also you can select your microphone from here. I have two microphones. You can select any one from here. I want to select this one, and that's it. Now it's time to record. Just click on this start recording icon, and now it's recording your screen. After finishing record, just click to this red icon to stop the recording. Click on this, and now it's time to download this file into your desktop or your device. Click on this download icon and select a position where you want to save this one, and now you can see it's our screen recorded video. Click to open this video, and that's it. You can use CapCut PC to record your screen using this method. I hope this video will help you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.